Gandhiji and a young boy.
It was a beautiful village. There lived a young boy with his parents. He was addicted to eating sugar. His mother warned him several times not to eat sugar, as it is bad for his health. But the boy did not listen to his mother. After some days, his mother decided to get help from Gandhiji. So, she took his son to the place where Gandhiji stayed. The journey was long, as she had to walk miles in hot weather conditions. She then finally reached the place and met Gandhiji. She requested him to inform her son to stop eating sugar, as it is bad for his health. Gandhiji replied, "I cannot tell him right now. But you can bring him back after a month, and then I will speak to him." Hearing this, the mother was confused and upset that Gandhiji did not give any solution. Both went back home. After a month, they met Gandhiji again. This time, Gandhiji looked at the boy and said, "Young boy, you should stop eating sugar, as it is not good for your health. Listen to your mother and obey her." The boy agreed. The mother curiously asked Gandhiji, "Why did you not tell him last time, when I brought him here?" Gandhiji smiled and said, "Mother, last time when you came, I had the habit of eating a lot of sugar myself." Moral of the story is, if we want people to follow or listen to us, we should lead as an example on things that we want others to follow. By leading the way, you are creating confidence in people in you. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.